In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget using a Google Sheets template. With the ease and accessibility of Google Sheets, you can create a manageable monthly budget in no time. Let's dive in and get started. First of all, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Open up your browser and navigate to Google by typing in google.com in your address bar. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Google Apps icon. This icon looks like a small grid of squares. Go ahead and click on that. The Google Apps menu provides quick access to all Google services. From here, find and click on the Sheets icon. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for creating, editing, and sharing spreadsheets directly from your browser without needing a specific application installed on your computer. It's an excellent choice for managing budgets since it can help track expenses and income seamlessly. Now that we're in Google Sheets, look towards the top of the page to find the Template Gallery option and click on it. This gallery features a wide variety of pre-made templates for different kinds of projects, including budgeting, which means you don't have to start from scratch. When the template gallery opens, scroll through the options until you find the monthly budget template. The beauty of using a pre-existing template is that it's professionally designed and structured to help you get started quickly. Click on Monthly Budget to open this template, and it will automatically generate a new spreadsheet for you with customizable fields. Once the template loads, you'll notice it's organized into different sections. These sections typically include categories for income, fixed expenses, and variable expenses. Take some time to explore the template and understand the categories provided. This design is simple to adapt regardless of your financial situation. To customize the template to fit your unique budget, click on the cells within the spreadsheet to enter your own data. Be sure to input your estimated figures for each category so you can track and visualize your income and expenses. You'll find that the template auto-calculates totals for you, making it very user-friendly. As you tweak the spreadsheet to match your personal needs, keep in mind that maintaining a budget is most effective when you update it regularly. This way, you can quickly identify areas where you might be overspending and adjust accordingly. Remember, budgeting doesn't have to be a chore, and by making it a regular part of your financial routine, you'll gain better control over your money. Google Sheets capabilities make the process not only efficient, but also accessible from anywhere at any time. That wraps up today's guide on setting up a budget using a Google Sheets template. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in organizing your finances. Thank you for watching and happy budgeting!